next award is for the highest sales performance auto retail in the passenger vehicles category. And to present this award, I would like to invite Mr. Amit Asidya, Head Business Development, Acme India, Mr. Sushant Satish, AVP Business Development, Amplus Solar, and Mr. M. Dhananjayan, MD Focus Group, India and Dubai. And the WAF star is the Kataria Group. In October 2020, the company sold 8,086 cars, the highest ever in the history of the automobile industry by any single parent dealer, making it to the India Book of Records. Towards this end, they conducted online trainings for the betterment and expansion of the skills and knowledge of their employees. I would like to invite Mr. Dharmendra Mishra, Executive Director, Kataria Group, to please say a few words.
First of all, thank you, WAF, for coming up such a prestigious award. Thank you, jury, for considering Kataria Group for highest sales performance auto retail passenger vehicles division. With great humility, as already mentioned, we sold 8,000 plus Maruti Suzuki cars under the banner of Kataria Automobiles, which is highest ever in the history of industry by any parent dealer. Kataria Group, as some of you would know, has a legacy of 6 decades, and it's one of the fastest growing diversified group across segments of automobile, which is our flagship business, insurance, logistics, infrastructure, finance, and with our growing passions, we are entering into vehicle recycling business very soon. We are associated with prestigious automobile brands such as Maruti Suzuki, Porsche, Bharat-Benz, Honda, TVS, and very recently, Ather electric two-wheelers. The group is soon entering, as I said, end-of-life vehicles recycling business. With over 1 million customers, happy customers, 1,000 customers touch points, and with a team of 6,000 employees, we are committed to deliver dreams of our customers. Thank you again, Anuj, WAF, and all the jury members for considering Kataria Automobiles for such a prestigious honor. Thank you very much.
That's fantastic, Mr. Mishra. So, though, of course, there was this push towards the personal mobility because of the physical distancing requirements in the year of the pandemic. But having said that, that was common to all the companies, all the dealers. But selling 8,000 plus cars in just 1 month, entering the India Book of Records, Limca Book of Records is something unparalleled. So if somebody would ask you what could have been or were the top 3 reasons or things which led to it, what would you say?
Anuj, first of all, I think we owe everything to our employees who put all their efforts, commitment, dedication during this period, forgetting all the negativity of pandemic, number 1. Number 2, the group has a lot of experience in passenger vehicle business, and we prepared very well for the festive period. And third, we put all our enablers in place so that we don't miss out any sale. Special focus was given to rural because we knew it very early on that rural economy is going to support us, and Maruti being a very strong name in rural market. So I think these 3 things put together, our preparedness, putting all enablers and focusing on markets, and most important, we kept our employees on their toes, and they themselves were self-driven. I think all this put together, we could have this milestone.
That's fantastic, Mr. Mishra. So the team, people, they make a lot of difference. And, saying that in the dealer fraternity, because, a lot of times, not many people say that, So I've seen only a handful of dealer businesses take really good care of, their teams at the dealerships. and we at VAF feel so lucky and honored that we are in some way or the other connected to them. For example, if one can talk about JS 4 Wheels, or one can talk about Gallops Motors, or one can talk about Jubilant Group, So here I've seen, personally, it's like a primary, I've seen myself how they take really good care. And now, Kataria Group winning this, and they're saying it's all thanks to the people. So that kind of just validates and ratifies that, especially, it has always been, but especially in the year of pandemic, it's not just product. It's all about people. So thank you so much for that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Would any other presenters like to say a word here? Great.
So yeah, we can go forward. Yeah.
Yes. So here is a video of the Kataria Group presentation.
Namaste from India, the world's fastest growing economy, and from Gujarat, India's model state for all-round growth. Propelling the Gujarat growth engine forward is Kataria Group. Welcome to Kataria Group, a major conglomerate with a legacy of over 6 decades and India's second largest Suzuki Motors selling group. We are a family of over 7,000 dedicated workforce who have collectively served around 1 million gratified customers with a turnover of over $600 million. The Kataria Group has spread its wings in various sectors like automobiles, insurance, logistics, infrastructure, and renewable energy. Kataria Automobiles is Western India's fastest growing automobile selling group.
We are proud to be associated with leading global OEM partners such as Suzuki, Porsche, Daimler and Honda. We enjoy the trust and loyalty of 1 million customers, and our family is ever growing.
Our impressive strides in the automobile dealership arena stem in equal parts from our customers' unflinching trust, earned the only way we know, by providing the best-in-class car solutions.
Customer centricity is at the very heart of Kataria Group. We aspire to touch base with customers in all possible ways to ensure customers' delight. Customer satisfaction is the very backbone of our business.
Over the years, we have been felicitated with numerous awards and accolades. Kataria Insurance was incorporated in 2014 in Gujarat. The company offers a range of insurance products like vehicle insurance, health insurance, and all general insurance products. A dedicated staff enables us to provide 360-degree insurance solutions to our customers. K-Log Global provides highly professional logistics services across the country. We specialize in the movement of heavy-duty odd-sized cargo, turbines, furnaces, etc. through our advanced transport fleet. We are the preferred logistics partners of India's leading corporates like Adani, Suzuki Motors, BHEL, Hindustan Petroleum, and ONGC, to name a few. Established in the year 2008, Kataria Infrastructure Private Limited has made its mark through its intuitively constructed commercial and industrial spaces. The magnificent Kataria Arcade was KIPL's first individual project, with an ample land bank in the city and impressive milestones achieved early on. The future of this vertical appears very exciting. With big ambition, Kataria Group has just forayed into renewable energy through windmills. The group will also venture into energy solutions for automotive industry. These will generate electricity for partial captive consumption within the group.
मैं अपने ग्रुप की सफलता का क्रेडिट अपने एम्प्लॉय को देता हूं। कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन की वजह से हम प्रगति के मार्ग पे आगे से आगे बढ़ने की चेष्टा करते जा रहे हैं।
By leveraging our internal capabilities, we are all set to diversify into automotive manufacturing, mobility and energy solutions. We are striving for the best-in-class technology partnerships across the globe.